learn to keep people dependent on you. To maintain your independence, you must always be needed and wanted. So this is also a very common trick used by people at workplace, that they make other people dependent on them, and this is how they become powerful and take good grades and promotions. The more you are relied on, the more freedom you have. Make people depend on you for their happiness and prosperity, and you have nothing to fear. Never teach them enough so that they can do without you. So this is what usually powerful people doing. Use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. So this is a cunning technique, that you become sincere and honest for small moment of time, and then you attack. So this is a cunning technique. Please do not use it, but be aware of this. When asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest, never to their mercy or gratitude. So if you are asking for help, you should show that there is something valuable for the other person too in that thing. Never appeal to their mercy or gratitude. Pose as a friend, work as a spy. So this is also a hypocrisy, type of hypocrisy, that you pose yourself as a friend but you are working as a spy, and trying to get weakness and true intentions of your opponent by showing yourself as his friend, but you are not his friend. The other 15th law is crush your enemy totally. This is against an inhuman type of law, but it is usually used, that powerful people normally try to crush the enemy totally. So this law states that if you do not crush him totally, he will after some time gain power and will come back and will try to seek revenge. So crush him totally, and not only his body but also his spirit. So this is a very cruel law of power.